Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be solving this puzzle or this question, which is called set dot union bracket operation. So let's see that. Here it is given the statements. So what union means is, you might already be aware of the dot union operator. There is an operator called dot union bracket that returns the union of a set and the set of elements in an iterable. So you might be aware of these thing, Venn diagrams and all, so which you study in 11th class, 12th class. So A is one set, B is one set, and A union B will be the elements of in all the elements in both the sets. Sometimes it is written like this, A dot union B, or it is written like this. So there is a line between two sets. A is one set, B is another set. So there is a line between them, means it is taking a union of both the sets. This line you will find in your keyboard above enter. Now, so what it is written, sometimes these operator, same thing is written, the operator is used in place of dot union operator, but it operates only on the set of elements in set. Okay, so you have to have a set with two sets and then you can apply this operator. Set is immutable to the union operator, means like it immutable means it's not changeable, means your original set won't change. Now here you can see some examples related to sets union. So here you can see hacker is one string, it is converted into a set and is stored in variable s. In next line it is printing s dot union rank. So what it is doing, it is taking this s and union with rank. So you can see there is a set now called A R C R E H K N, and you can see there are two r's, small r and capital R, which is in hacker and rank. Okay, so you can see it is how it is taking the union. Another example, you can see same as we are using this one, same as union with set rank now. So again you are getting the same output. So it's like initializing doing the union in another way. Similarly here you can see s dot union rank. Here you are using set, here you are not using set, then also you are getting like this output. Similarly s dot union enumerate, if you will do this enumerate, so it will enumerate, means like it will assign a number to your elements. So you can see this hacker part is coming from this s, but if you will see the enumerated part, which is rank, it is given the number. So 0 is r, then 1 is a, 2 is n, and k is 3. So that's the meaning of enumerating. So 0 1 2 3, it has numbered, attached a number to the elements. Another one here you can see s dot union in curly braces, it has written rank string colon 1. So it has taken as one entity. While taking the union, you have to take it as one entity. So here you can see hacker part is coming from s, union with rank, which has to be taken as one entity. So that's why it's not split like here. And lastly you can see s union set rank. So rank is a string and it has converted into set, taken a union with s. That's how you can think s operator. This is union operator, right? So here you can see set, same thing you are getting. So these are different examples for union and sets. Now this is not what is our task. Our task is to that students of district college have subscription to English and French newspaper. Some students have subscribed only to English, some have subscribed to only French, and some have subscribed to both the newspapers. So you are given two sets of students roll numbers. One set has subscribed to English, another set is subscribed to French. The same student could be in both the sets. What do they mean? Means there will be some students who has both the subscription, English and French newspaper both. Our task is to find the total number of students who have subscribe to at least one newspaper. We have to find the number of students who are having at least one newspaper subscription. Either it could be English, it could be French, or it could be both. We have to find those students, total number of students, how many of them are there. So this is our task. What will be the input given to us? The first line will be an integer n, which will tell you how many of students have subscribed to English newspaper. Second line will give you their roll numbers. Then third line will give you b, which is the number of students subscribed to French newspaper. And then last line will give their roll number. Okay, constraint is the total number of students in college should be between 0 to 1000, which usually they don't check. I don't know why. Output, we have to tell the number of students who have at least one newspaper subscription. So here you can see this 9 representing total number of students who opted for English newspaper. This 1 to 9 is telling their roll number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then in the next line they are telling how many of the students have subscribed to French newspaper, then their roll number, 10 1 2 3 11 21 55 6 8, and the output is given as 13. So how it is calculating? You can see the roll numbers is total is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 21 and 55. You can see some of the roll numbers are in both, right? That what that means? It means that these guys have subscribed to both the newspapers, English and French, both. So uniquely, if you will see how many roll numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 21 and 55. Total how many of it? 13. And you can see roll number 1 2 3 6 8, they are in both sets. They are only counted once. Why they are counting once? Here if you will see, if you will take union, your elements will be counted once in both of them, right? So that's the logic they are using here. So if you will take this set of roll numbers, this set of roll numbers, take the union of both of them, you will get these, right? These guys, this whole 1 2 3, this whole lot, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 21 55, right? How many of these are there? 13 students. Why this is the answer? Because they have subscribed to at least one newspaper. Okay, 1 has subscribed to both, 2 and 3 has subscribed to both, 4 is subscribed to only English, likewise 21 is subscribed to only French. Our job is to find those guys who has subscribed to at least one. So we have removed the redundancy and we have counted the roll numbers only once. So see the logic how they have used in this task. Just a small operation union, but the way they have used is good, right? It shows how they are applying the knowledge of union. So here you knew that these many students were English, these many students were having French, and some of them were having both, 1 2 3 6 8. You can see they are in both lots. So we have taken the union between them, and then you will get this, and you just count the numbers of students. So this will tell you that these guys have subscribed to at least one subscription. Okay, so let me do it. I'll change it to Python 3, change it to dark theme, and I'll remove this stuff, then I'll full size. I think this will be fine. So let's do that. First I'll take the input, these guys, 4 inputs we have to take, right? So let me write English roll, English, I'll write English students, STDS. Okay, English students, and I'll take input. This is just a number, so input, and I'll convert into integer type. Similarly, you will have E roll numbers I am taking here. This has to be split like right input. I'll take dot split just like that, and then I'll take similarly for French newspaper TDS, and I'll take into input like this, right? Then comes F roll. Same thing I'll do. This I'll copy and paste, right? Let me print those whether we can see them properly. E roll, shift, copy, paste, is to, so here is TTS, here STDS, and here F roll, right? So let's see how it looks, so whether we have captured the data input or not. So you can see here, yeah, we have captured it, but here you can see these guys are not as sets, right? These are not as set. These guys is also not set in set, you can see. So what we can do here is we can convert here the input to set. Roll number we want, right? And you can apply union to set only, that's why I'm doing it. Set. Okay, now you will see curly braces. So curly braces means they are sets. See, set elements. Now we have both the sets, so let's take the union of them. So total, let me write what's the name, E roll and F roll, right? E roll union, I'll use this symbol, F roll. Okay, so total we have now number, so let's print it. And let's see how it looks. So you can see we have this union answer total, so it has only counted once. So what we wanted is, so now, but we don't want the answer in this format, right? We want just the length of it. So how many elements are there in this total set? That's what we have to print, and we don't have to print these guys as well. They are just for our checking purpose. So you can see 13, yeah, congratulations. So let's submit it. All the test cases are passed. Okay, so congratulations. So we have earned a point. Now one more thing you can do is, you don't have to write in separate lines, so you can do it these 4 things in a single line. So let me do it quickly. I'll remove this, I'll remove here comma, and then you can do all this in single line. So this thing I can cut, and I'll put with comma here, and I'll remove this equal to sign. So you can see you can do it in single line. Similarly, this F students as well, you can bring Control X, Control V. Oh, this has to be cut. V, and here it should be F students, TDS. and I can remove here. So 3 of them I have taken, fourth one I'll take now. Remove this. So now last guy I have to take. So this is how you can write in single line, right? So just I have taken the same things, but I have written in a single line, and then in next line you can do the union here and then print the total. Okay, length you have to print, not the sets, it's just the length you have to print. So if I'll run the code now, if I'll run the code, you can see the same output is coming, and if I'll submit it, still it is working, right? So it's much more cleaner way to much more advanced or cleaner way, whatever you can say, to take the inputs instead of writing in single line, all of them. Instead of writing in different lines, you can do it in single line. So once you are pro, then you should opt for these kind of techniques. Okay, so just a small program. Let's go to the next one now. I have not written the constraint. You can try if you want. You just have to write the total number of students in college, right? I mean, take this number 9, take this another number 9, total you do 18. 18 has to be between 0 and 1000. So that's constraint where you can set, I think. So that's why I'm just skipping it. I'm just telling you that, yeah, how these guys has to be used, these two guys. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the next one.